For our customers' successful business, Hyundai WIA continues to take on new challenges. Experience the new technology, Hyundai WIA. Hyundai WIA Machine Tools that develops the path of success with customers through innovation, constant research, and state-of-the-art technology for a better future. Since its foundation in 1976, it has been leading the global machinery industry with its advanced technology and accumulated know-how. In the 2000s, Hyundai WIA has grown into a global top company by expanding its production facilities, research institutes, and sales networks to major global hubs such as China, the US, India, and Europe. At the center of its history, there is the machine tools business. And today, we are taking on a new challenge based on our firm vision to leap forward into a more glorious future. A key base for providing machine tools total solutions. A new concept of Hyundai WIA TechCube, which combines research and marketing centers, brings you a new experience. Developing new models optimized for customer needs and European market from product design to prototyping. Communication Center, which leads global machine tool trend. Providing real-time and visiting services to customers' request. Development of experts through systematic sales and service education. TechCube is the infinite possibility of Hyundai WIA machine tools. The company that creates tomorrow's success with customers. Hyundai WIA opens the future of technology. Experience the new technology. Hyundai WIA.